It's a certified 2016 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, multi-function steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
For a great selection of quality vehicles, call, click, or stop in to Bill Marine Honda today. We're conveniently located at 579 East North Street, Springfield.